IOTA is a permissionless open-source distributed ledger. You might already be familiar with other similar platforms, but unlike those other distributed ledgers, IOTA does not use a blockchain. Instead, IOTA uses a brand new quantum proof protocol called the Tangle. The Tangle achieves network consensus differently than blockchain, which provides for a variety of revolutionary new features. In order to send an IOTA transaction, a user verifies two other transactions on the Tangle by performing low-difficulty proof of work. The payment for using the network is simply verifying two other transactions, leading to zero transaction fees. This means that the exact amount of IOTA sent is the same exact amount of IOTA received, enabling true micropayments. It also means that IOTA scales proportionally to the number of transactions on the network, with no theoretical limit. Additionally, network security increases and confirmation time decreases with greater network load. This is in stark contrast to blockchains. Other features include snapshotting, masked authenticated messaging, partition tolerance, a fixed money supply, and an extremely lightweight client. While IOTA was specifically designed to serve as the backbone for the Internet of Things, its features lend themselves to endless other use cases as well.